Horses out, one slow out. Shining Fame, Miranda Dance, pass to begin. Running by Drella, Alexandrina, Dancing Giselle. Moving a party out, so now El Negro, My Hope is racing in Pipa. Then followed over by Indie Hay, Money Money, Bot Boy, Shining Fame. El Negro, now the leader by about 2 lengths. Dancing Giselle in second, and enter Alexandrina, Miranda Dance alongside Porta. My Hope, now moving a party outside the take port, then followed by Muni Mani, Imdihey, Botbo, and Shining Fame. El Negro by about 3 lengths, Dancing Giselle in second. My Hope now coming closer in third. Randa Dance is running by the Porta. Alexandrina comes next, Muni Mani, Botbo, then comes Imdihey, and Shining Fame still racing in last. That's the El Negro by about 5 lengths. Moving up now to take second is My Hope, Dancing Giselle, Trans back in third. Randa Dance is racing in fourth. Then comes Indie Hay, Muni Mani, Botbo, El Negro by about 3 lengths. My Hope still in second, and in third Dancing Giselle. Then here comes Indie Hay and Botbo. And as they come down at the last 150, and it's still El Negro by about 4 lengths. My Hope in second, Indie Hay. Last 50 meters, and it's still El Negro. And finally, El Negro. Second, My Hope, Indie Hay, Botbo. Then comes Muni Mani.